Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will make understanding bird names a breeze. Whether you're a nature lover or just curious, we've got you covered. From robins to eagles, we'll introduce you to our feathered friends and their names. Join us in exploring the colorful and chirpy universe of birds' names, simplified for everyone to enjoy. Birds' names in English and their meanings. Robin. A small bird known for its red breast. Symbolizes renewal and new beginnings. Eagle. A majestic bird of prey with strong symbolism of power, freedom, and vision. Sparrow. A small, social bird often associated with simplicity and community. Dove. A symbol of peace, love, and hope, often portrayed with an olive branch. Hummingbird. A tiny bird known for its rapid wing movement and vibrant colors. Symbolizes energy and joy. Owl. Often associated with wisdom and mystery due to its nocturnal nature. Peacock. Known for its beautiful, iridescent tail feathers, symbolizes beauty, pride, and integrity. Flamingo. A tall wading bird with a distinctive pink hue, symbolizes grace and elegance. Penguin. Flightless birds known for their social behavior and adaptability to harsh environments. Parrot. Colorful birds capable of mimicking human speech, symbolizes communication and intelligence. Swan. Symbolizes purity, grace, and love, often seen as a representation of beauty. Hawk. A bird of prey associated with focus, intuition, and keen observation. Albatross. Large seabirds often associated with endurance and long journeys. Raven. Often portrayed as a symbol of mystery and transformation in various cultures. Cardinal. Bright red birds known for their distinctive color, symbolizes vitality and cheer. Cuckoo. Known for its distinctive call, symbolizing new opportunities and change. Kingfisher. A brightly colored bird often associated with calmness and patience. Woodpecker. Known for its drumming on trees, symbolizes determination and persistence. Magpie. Often seen as a symbol of good luck and intelligence. Seagull. Found near coastlines, symbolizes freedom and adaptability to different environments. Nightingale. Known for its melodious song, symbolizes beauty, inspiration, and creativity. Blue jay. Recognized for its vibrant blue plumage, symbolizing communication and clarity. Blackbird. Often associated with mysticism and introspection due to its dark appearance. Pelican. Symbolizes self-sacrifice, nurturing, and protection. Cormorant. Known for its fishing behavior, symbolizes resourcefulness and adaptability. Quail. Small bird associated with family values, protection, and community. Puffin. Known for its colorful beak, symbolizes charisma, individuality, and charm. Rooster. Often associated with wakefulness, courage, and announcement of dawn. Swift. Aerial bird with high-speed flight, symbolizes agility, movement, and freedom. Vulture. Carrion-eating bird, symbolizes purification, renewal, and resourcefulness. Wren. Small bird with a powerful song, symbolizes resourcefulness and activity. Crane. Symbolizes longevity, luck, and fidelity, often seen as a harbinger of good fortune. Toucan. Known for its colorful beak, symbolizes communication, intuition, and curiosity. Heron. Symbolizes patience, tranquility, and self-reflection, often depicted near water. Bald eagle. National symbol of the United States, symbolizes strength, courage, and freedom. Partridge. Symbolizes protection, unity, and contentment. Lark. Known for its cheerful song, symbolizes happiness, optimism, and new beginnings. Osprey. Bird of prey known for fishing abilities, symbolizes vision, adaptability, and focus. Rook. A member of the crow family, often associated with mystery and intelligence. Starling symbolizes diversity, adaptability, and the interconnectedness of life. Shoebill, large bird known for its distinctive bill shape, symbolizes uniqueness and mystery. Guinea fowl, social birds, symbolize protection, vigilance, and group dynamics. Yellowhammer symbolizes creativity, expression, and the power of song. Kestrel, small bird of prey, symbolizes patience, precision, and adaptability. Barn owl, nocturnal bird associated with intuition, wisdom, and insight. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.